In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have faster internet at home. A stable and speedy internet connection is crucial for our daily activities, whether we're working from home, streaming our favorite content, or gaming online. Let's dive into some practical steps that can help you achieve that. First up, whenever possible, use a wired connection. Ethernet connections are traditionally faster and more stable compared to Wi-Fi. This is especially beneficial if you're involved in activities that demand high bandwidth, such as streaming in high definition, intensive online gaming, or crucial video conferences. If your router is located far from your devices, you might want to consider investing in a power line adapter. These adapters utilize the electrical wiring in your home, extending your network's reach without sacrificing performance quality. Next, let's talk about optimizing your Wi-Fi signal. The placement of your router plays a significant role in the quality of your Wi-Fi connection. Ideally, it should be positioned in a central, elevated area of your home to ensure even coverage. It's also important to keep the router away from potential obstacles like walls, metal objects, and appliances such as microwaves, as these can interfere with your signal. Upgrading your equipment can also make a huge difference. Opt for a dual band or tri-band router, as they are designed to handle more devices efficiently and provide a wider coverage area. Consider looking into Wi-Fi 6 routers if you're aiming for faster speeds, particularly if you have numerous devices connected simultaneously. Moving on, if you're using NordVPN, you can enhance your internet experience by choosing the fastest servers. NordVPN's Quick Connect option automatically selects the optimal server for your location and load requirements. Alternatively, you can manually select the nearest VPN server with the lowest current load. This ensures a smoother and faster connection. It's also wise to avoid connecting through servers in congested areas or countries, as these can slow down your connection due to high traffic. Lastly, enabling NordVPN's threat protection feature can contribute to a faster browsing experience. This handy feature is designed to block ads, trackers, and malicious scripts, which not only protects your privacy and security, but also reduces interruptions and clutter on websites. With fewer ads loading, your pages will load faster, and your browsing will feel more fluid. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the speed and stability of your home internet connection, making your online activities more enjoyable and productive. We hope these tips help you get the most out of your internet experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.